Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to film this video because I've never done anything like this, but I'm really excited to try it out. So I was sent this box of contacts by JUST4KIRA. They sent me 4 different colors that I had requested, and I am going to try them all. Look at this packaging! There's so many different colors in here. They sent me 4 different colors. Each of these boxes holds 1 contact, and it came with contact cases for all the contacts that I'm going to try out today. The 4 colors that I have are Ginger Pink, Asa Green, SL70 Brown, and Bloom Brown. So I got 2 browns because I wanted to try like something not too far off from my eye color because I have dark brown eyes. After I'm done trying on the contacts, I'm actually going to do a makeup look, so stick till the very end. I also do have a code that they sent me. Right when you open the box, the first thing that comes in is like a little thank you note, so cute. And then on the back of it is actually instructions on how to put on contacts, how to wear them. I am a regular contacts user, so I don't need these instructions, but it's really nice that they provide these in case you need some extra help putting them on and off. When you're putting on contacts, make sure to wash your hands really well. You don't want any germs to go into your eyes, like that is extremely scary. After you're done washing your hands, what you're going to need is contact solution. This is the brand that I always get. It's BioTrue. It comes in a variety of sizes, so you know, you don't necessarily need the biggest bottle that they have. I know this one's like the medium size. The first color that I'm gonna try is Bloom Brown. This is actually what they look like. They come in this type of packaging, and then on the back is the individual contact. Hopefully when I put these on, I'll actually be able to see since this is my prescription. So I'll be right back because I cannot put my contacts on camera. This is the first color. Guys, I'm a little scared. This is Bloom Brown. It was supposed to be sort of like a light caramel brown, but I think just because my eyes are so dark, the contrast is a little bit scary. But I feel like if I were trying to be like an X-Men or something, this would be like a Halloween contact, you know? In terms of comfortability, I can like see the color. I don't know. I guess I never wore colored contacts before, so I didn't know what to expect. But I can kind of see the color like within my eye, especially when the light from my vanity like reflects on my face. My vision is clear, it's just it looks a little bit like I can see brown on the outsides. So the next colors that I'm going to be putting on is SL70 Brown. This packaging is actually different than the other ones. Look how cute that is. But yeah, so these are the different packages that come in this package. Oh, something really cool I just noticed. In this little contacts case that they give you, it comes with a little tool to help you get your contacts out. This is to help like put the actual contact on your eye or like take it out, because this part helps you move it, I believe. I'm not sure what this bottom one does. This is what the packaging looks like for these ones. This is the next one. This is SL70 Brown. I kind of like this one more than the other one. This one I will say is a lot more comfortable than the other one for some reason, but I can still see that like ring of color. I guess that's just a thing with colored contacts that you'd have to get used to. Full range of motion, nothing feels stuck. I will say if you put the contact in and it feels immediately uncomfortable, chances are that it's probably flipped the wrong way, so try flipping it. And whenever I put my contacts in or mess with my eyes start to water and then my nose starts to run, so if you hear me sniffing, don't mind that. This is the color Asa Green. How do we feel about it? This one is definitely more toned down. I like it. Green is very beautiful. Same thing with the color on the rim. I can see it. It is a little toned down now that it's green, but I can still see that color. The comfortability is the same. This one is the same comfort level as the other ones. On to the final pair, which is going to be Ginger G Pink. Honestly, I feel like these ones are the cutest ones. Maybe I'm just biased because they're pink, but I feel like they really like make me pop. I look out of this world extraterrestrial. I'm getting used to the color around the ring. The pink is a little bit lighter, so I can't really see it as much. And the fit is honestly great. Another thing I wanted to note was the prescription. I can see really well. I can see everything, so at least they cover that. I do have astigmatism, so I'm not sure that that's something that they will have on their website. Alright, so those were the 4 contacts that JUST4KIRA sent me. Thank you so much, JUST4KIRA. This was such a fun thing to do. If you guys would like to purchase a pair, you can use my code JESSICAH for 20% off your first order. I will also link it down in the description box below, but again, that's JESSICAH for 20% off your first order. Ah, how exciting. I've always wanted to say that. On to the second part of the video. I really wanted to do a makeup look with one of these contacts, and I knew it was probably going to be the pink one. I do have some inspiration that I saw of this girl on TikTok, but I feel like the purple in her eyes are just so cute. I can't. That is very my vibe, so I'm gonna try that out. The palette that I'll be using today is the Morphe 35T Sweetest Tea. I don't know the full name of this palette, but I will say it's discontinued because the Morphe closed down at my mall. I don't think we ever got answers about what happened with Morphe, but I don't know. I do still have some of their products. I will use them until I hit pan. It has a lot of pink colors in it and light oranges and purples, so I thought it would just be perfect to try to replicate or like execute that look. My base is kind of already done. I did my eyebrows, I did some concealer under the eyes. I'm going to underpaint for this look, so I'm going to put my foundation on last. I have all my brushes ready. Let's get into it, girl. One product that I've been really loving lately for doing my eyeshadow is the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime. And this shade is, I believe, their lightest shade. Ooh, it's shade number 2 actually, so I think it's their second lightest shade. When I went on the website, the third shade, which is a little bit darker, was sold out. So I was like, let me just use this, and I'm going to cover it with eyeshadow anyways. Typically what I like to do is put a tiny little dot on my eye. And a little bit goes a long way, you guys. Like, you really don't have to do too much. It just keeps my eyeshadow on for the whole night, and I've actually like noticed a difference in my creasing. I always thought that, you know, eyeshadow primers were just another product to buy, but it definitely does make a difference in my makeup. And this is our Real Techniques brush 308. It's kind of flat but fluffy. I like it because it covers a lot of ground. I'm actually going to put a little bit more on my inner corners. Now that that has been applied, I'm actually going to go ahead and set it with this fluffy brush. It doesn't have a name. And it is broken, but this is my tried and true, one of the first makeup brushes I owned. I'm going to go in with OG Crew to just set it very lightly before I start building color on top of it. For the first color, I'm actually going in with the Mauves, which is a Juvia's Place makeup palette. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go in with this very light shade at the front. And I am going to be using this Real Techniques brush 307. Looks like this, to pack on that color, sort of creating like a contour with it at the front. For that second shade, I'm going to go in with Not That Innocent. I'm sort of beginning to blend it into that first color. And for that last color, I'm going in with Grab Drinks. Making sure to blend together. I'm gonna go in with Sweetest Tea to sort of blend everything together, especially the outer corners. I'm going to go in with this Essence Gel Liner. It's waterproof in the color number 3, which is Silky Nude. I find that using a light brown instead of a harsh white suits me a lot better. Using a powder puff or a beauty blender so you don't crease your under eye. Going to go in with an Attitude. It's like a deep or like a true purple, and I'm going to sort of line my waterline with this color, so that's the reason why I put the white there, so that I could line it with color. I'm just gonna go in with any regular black gel liner. I'm gonna make sure to extend the liner towards the center. It'll help create that shape. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but this was such a fun video to do. Shout out to JUST4KIRA for these contacts. So this is the ginger pink color. And I had 4 other colors. I'll have them all linked in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.